Your tax dollars to your safety. A big day ahead for Austin City Council as they take on the agenda that is packed full of items. First up, just days after parents went to City Hall to express concerns, council members will look into the homeless population near UT. They are looking into a solution to keep students and staff safe on campus. Council members also hosting a public hearing to decide what to do with the Metro Park at Festival Beach. The 2,000 square foot area is near the Holly Street Power Plant. And finally, plans for a different kind of Taco Bell. A vote could be held today to approve the sale of alcohol for a Taco Bell Cantina on the drag, the location on Guadalupe Street next to UT's campus. They want to make it a Taco Bell Cantina. That means that it would sell alcohol. The problem is it's about 100 feet away from a church, so they are petitioning the city to go ahead and allow alcohol sales in that location.